This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Duovir E Kit is an effective treatment for managing HIV. This combination therapy is vital for those affected by the virus. Indications and uses. This medication is primarily indicated for the management of human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, infection in adults. It aids in controlling the viral load and improving the immune system's function. Patients with HIV are often prescribed this kit to enhance their quality of life and reduce the risk of complications associated with the disease. How it works. The components of this kit work synergistically to block the action of the reverse transcriptase enzyme, which is essential for the HIV virus to replicate. Directions for use. Take the medication as prescribed by your physician. It is crucial to swallow the tablets whole without crushing or chewing them. Your doctor will determine the appropriate dosage and duration based on your specific age, body weight, and overall health condition. Possible side effects. Common side effects include dizziness, nausea, headache, and diarrhea. If these symptoms persist or worsen, it is important to seek medical advice. Precautions and warnings. This medication should be used cautiously in patients with liver, kidney, or heart diseases. It is not recommended for use in pregnant or breastfeeding women. Additionally, individuals over 65 years of age should consult their healthcare provider before use. FAQs. 1. How does this kit work? It inhibits the reverse transcriptase enzyme necessary for HIV replication. 2. Can it be given to children? No, it is not recommended for use in children. 3. Is it safe during pregnancy? It should be used cautiously, and effective contraception is recommended. 4. Does it cause dizziness? Yes, dizziness is a common side effect. 5. What about patients with liver or kidney issues? Caution is advised, and medical consultation is necessary. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.